In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Yahoo email address. Creating a new Yahoo account is quick, and by the end, you'll be ready to send and receive emails. All you need is an internet connection and a mobile phone for verification. First, open your web browser and go to Yahoo's sign-in page. You'll see the regular login box. Since we're opening a new account, look for the option that says Create an Account and click it. That takes you to the registration form. Start by entering your first name and last name exactly as you want them to appear. Next, choose your new Yahoo email address. This is your username, so pick something you'll be comfortable using. If the address you want is already taken, Yahoo will prompt you to try another variation. Adding a middle initial or a simple number can help you find an available handle while keeping it easy to remember. Create a strong password to protect your account. Aim for a long password that mixes letters, numbers, and symbols in a way that's not easy to guess. Avoid using personal details that someone could figure out, and make sure you store your password somewhere safe. Enter your birth date. Providing accurate information helps with account recovery and ensures your settings comply with age requirements. When everything looks right, review the form to catch any typos. Click Next to continue. Yahoo will now verify your phone number to make sure it's really you. Select or enter your mobile number, confirm the country code if needed, and choose to receive a verification code by text. Keep your phone nearby. When the code arrives, type it into the verification field exactly as shown. If it doesn't show up after a short time, double-check your number, look for the message in your text inbox, and you can request another code. Signal issues can cause delays, so a brief wait often solves it. After you enter the correct code, Yahoo completes your sign-up. You'll see a confirmation screen and you can proceed to your inbox or the Yahoo homepage. That's it. You've created your Yahoo email address. Before you go, a couple of quick tips. Sign out when using shared computers, keep your password private, and consider adding extra security features later for even better protection. You're all set to start composing messages, organizing folders, and customizing your mailbox to fit your needs. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new Yahoo account.